Because people's needs are different, we create dashboards and reports to suit our individual needs. It's because of this that each report in each dashboard has its own distinct properties for each user's permission level. To put it a different way, whether you create a report or dashboard, you are the only owner of that dashboard or report, and no one else has permission to access it unless you give them access by changing their permission level on it. So, if you decide to give one user permission to the report or dashboard that you've made, you must change that user's permission level for that report or dashboard from none to view, modify, or admin. If you wanted to give everyone in your organization access to the report or dashboard, you would change the permission level for each of the users independently according to the permission level that you would like each of them to have. By breaking up permissions like this, we are able to control who sees what and who can make and save edits and modifications to these shared reports and dashboards. This significantly reduces inadvertent modifications or removal of the shared perspectives from these dashboards and reports, and also reduces clutter for each user by keeping the dashboards and reports that are most important in their area of focus. The permissions level for a user on any given dashboard tab or any given report will by default be set to none. However, this can be changed by first navigating to the item you wish to share or to adjust permissions on. The view permission is similar to being a restricted user, in that the users that have been given restricted view settings can only view the dashboards and reports that have been shared with them. They cannot save or share any of these shared perspectives. The modify permission allows the report or dashboard to be modified by the user as well as saved. To change the level of access or permissions that a user has on a dashboard tab, navigate to it from the list within the Dashboard tabs bar, or the Actions menu located on the top right of the window. Click the pencil icon beneath the Dashboard tab's title to place the Dashboard tab into edit mode. This will present you with additional dashboard functions in the Edit Mode toolbar, one of which is the Permissions button. Click the Permissions button to open the Dashboard Permissions panel that contains a list of the users within your system, along with their current permissions on the selected Dashboard tab. You also use the same Permissions panel when adjusting user permissions on reports. Here's a quick summary of where you'd access the panel for a report. Navigate to the report from the Saved Reports list, and click the Actions menu located on the right side of the report title bar, and click Edit Permissions for Dashboards and Reports. By default, the All Users switch is toggled to show only the users with specified access. By clicking on it, however, you can display all the users within the system. With all users shown in the list, you can add them and assign the appropriate permission level. You can easily filter to a specific user by entering a part of their contact details in the text field, or you can sort to a particular permission level by selecting the column header. Select the desired permission level for each user by clicking the button within the desired column. If you would like the user to have no permissions and no visibility of the selected dashboard or report, select None. If you would like the dashboard or report to be visible and accessible to a user, but not give them the ability to modify and save anything, select View. Select Modify if you would like a user to be able to view and save changes to the properties of the Dashboard tab or report, as well as any items that it contains. And finally, choose Admin if you would like the user to be able to view and modify the report or dashboard tab, as well as share it and change the user permissions on it. Once you're ready to apply the selected permissions, click OK to save the changes.